In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add texture and noise to your Figma designs, introducing a new dimension of sophistication and depth to your projects. This tutorial takes you through the process in a clear and engaging way, so let's dive right in. First, let's begin by heading over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many designers swear by for its versatility and user-friendly experience. Once you're on Figma's homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you're not already signed in, just click on the Login button, situated prominently on the home screen. Enter your credentials to access your workspace. This is your starting point, where all your recent projects and shared files are at your fingertips. Next, navigate to the Home section of Figma. This is where you'll see all the projects you have been working on, as well as any new drafts. From here, you need to select the project you want to enhance with texture and noise. Click on Design, which will lead you to the design canvas of the project you're working on. This is the creative space where you can unleash your imagination and bring your ideas to life. Now within your project, look for the Action panel. This feature allows you to manipulate your design elements and apply various modifications. Here's where the magic begins. In the Action search bar, type in Noise and Texture. Figma provides a wide range of plugins and features that allow you to easily add these elements to your design. By doing this, you'll see options related to noise and texture appear in the search results. Upon locating the noise and texture option, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the specific functionalities needed to add these design features into your work. What's great about Figma is its simplicity. It makes the process of enhancing designs with additional layers smooth and intuitive. As you adjust the noise and texture settings, take the time to experiment. Depending on your design objectives, you may want a subtle texture that adds a hint of depth or something more pronounced for a dramatic effect. Figma's live preview feature will be your best friend here, as it allows you to see the changes in real time and make adjustments accordingly until you achieve the desired effect. In summary, adding texture and noise to your Figma designs involves accessing your project, navigating through the Action panel, and utilizing the built-in options to introduce these elements. This process not only enhances the visual appeal of your designs, but also adds an artistic flair that sets your work apart. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it adds a new layer of creativity to your design projects. Happy designing!